Samsung has used almost the same camera design for years, but what if that is about to change? The Galaxy S27 series could be the time when Samsung entirely redefines its brand. These new images are by Rakesh Chakma, an artist known for sharing idea drawings. Recently, some of his conceptions have shown to be quite realistic. Samsung appears to be moving away from the distinct floating camera rings. Instead, the Galaxy S27 series features a sleek horizontal camera module. It appears to be more minimalist, polished, and cohesive. The triple camera array is placed in a straight line within a smooth rectangular island, giving the phone a balanced and modern appearance. With smooth corners and a metallic sheen, the overall design feels like a complete reset of Samsung's language. Moving on to performance, the S27 Ultra is believed to utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 Elite, which is constructed on a 2nm technology. That's a huge deal. There's also good news about batteries. The device is expected to have a silicon-carbon battery with a capacity of roughly 5,500 mAh. While the number may not appear to be significant, this new battery technology enables better energy density. This provides a longer battery life without increasing the phone's size or weight. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to include a 200-megapixel ISO HP6 sensor, but that's just part of the tale. The true highlight is something called low-light imaging technology. This could greatly enhance dynamic range, resulting in brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and more balanced photographs overall, particularly in tough lighting conditions. Another fascinating rumor concerns the S Pen. While there were rumors that Samsung might eliminate the S Pen from future Ultra versions, current leaks suggest otherwise. Instead of fading, the S Pen experience could receive a significant improvement, possibly coming on devices such as the Galaxy Z Fold 8. If confirmed, this would be a significant victory for fans who rely on it for creativity and productivity. After going all in on AI with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is said to return the spotlight to what fans have been waiting for: sheer hardware power.